Hi there, let's talk about skills covered for Power BI course. Starting with module 1, 2 and 3 where we're going to talk about preparing the data. In the module 1 we will be talking about get data from different data sources. In module 2 we will be talking about profiling the data. In module 3 we will be talking about cleaning, transforming and loading the data. Moving on to module 4, 5 and 6 where we talk about modeling the data. In module 4, we will look at designing a data model. In module 5, we will be talking about developing a data model. And in module 6, we will be talking about optimizing the model performance. Moving on to module 7 and 8, where we talk about visualizing the data. In module 7, we will be talking about creating the reports. And in module 8, we will be talking about creating the dashboards. Talking about module 9 and 10, where we will be looking at analyzing the data. In module 9, we will be looking at enhancing the reports to expose insights. And in module 10, we will talk about performing advanced analysis. Lastly, in the module 11, we will be talking about deploying and maintaining the deliverables. And that's where we're going to look at managing the data sets. Happy learning, guys.